we are going to add some new adverb. Adverb always come before the verb or adjective. So first one, 항상, always, 가끔, sometimes, 자주, often, and then last one, 전혀, never. So for always or sometimes or often, 항상, 가끔, 자주, you can use both negative or positive. Like, I'm always busy. I'm always not busy, right? For 전혀, never. It's only for negative. Always use with negative conjugation. Like such as like 안 or 지 않다 or 못, 지 못하다. So if you were to say the previous sentence, I said, I'm always busy, I'm always not busy, right? So 항상 바빠요, 항상 안 바빠요. But let's say I'm never busy. Then it will be 전혀 바쁘지 않아요. Or 전혀 안 바빠요. We would never say 전혀 바빠요. We cannot say that. Okay? Always with negative conjugation. So let's do some example. I always eat Korean food. 저는 항상 한식, Korean food, 한국 음식 short form, okay? 한식을 먹어요. 저는 항상 한식을 먹어요. Okay, next one. I often sleep at 10 o'clock. 저는 자주 10시에 자요. Okay, next one. I never eat Korean food. 저는 한식을 전혀 and then negative conjugation 안 먹어요. Or 전혀 먹지 않아요. If it's unable to, I can't ever eat Korean, then it will be 전혀 못 먹어요. Or 먹지 못해요, right? 저는 한식을 전혀, since this is unable to, then you say 못 먹어요. And then you can also say 먹지 못해요.